Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this witch broom and how to use it in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Grow Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this witch broom from the grave digging event and I'm going to show you how we can use it. So basically we can use this witch broom to fly, and then if you want to use it guys, you just need to click on the witch broom and then you can fly using this item. I'm going to fly it like this, and yeah, that's so fun. And yeah, you can use this item if you are bored and grow a garden. And this item is not that OP, so this is just for fun. It's not that useful in grow a garden. And okay guys, that's how we can use the witch broom in grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.